How to fix a windshield rock chip with your wife's nail polish. This will explain how to do that today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge vehicle guys, Dodge Crosser vehicle if you have one of those. And if you have a cracked windshield, a little bitty chip, rock chip, we'll explain how you can fix it using your wife's gel nail polish. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that, how you can preserve it, that way water will not get in the crack, it will not crack more, it will not explode from heat, from freezing, all that stuff will be covered today. We'll explain where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, supplies for your car at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. And every single car guys we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. We guys have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, this is the chip right here, the crack. Okay, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see that crack. Okay, it's right here guys. Okay, it's not very big, but it's to the point, okay, that if we don't take care of it, it's going to crack and it's going to spread everywhere because water will get into it, it will expand when it freezes and it will crack. Sometimes heat will cause that as well. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use guys, okay, gel polish, pH bond and clear top coat polish as well. We're going to use a UV light, okay, we're going to use some cleaning wipes and you may even use some alcohol. But let's go ahead and explain, okay, what we're going to do now. So guys, first step, clear guys, okay, clean the windshield really good, not to have anything. We're going to get that pH bond. You can use rubbing alcohol as well if you don't have that one. We're going to apply a thin amount around it, okay, just like this one. Now, okay, we're going to let it absorb a little bit and it will dry. You can see it's done. Next we're going to get the top coat gel guys, okay, that's the one that you use UV light. So we're going to go ahead and get some and apply a very thin amount, okay, it needs to absorb inside, okay, perfect, just like this one. Next step, we will turn the light on and let it bake for about 2 minutes. So we'll just leave it on until it turns off. So guys, the light turned off, let's go remove it. I want to show you what it looks like. Let me get the camera so I can get a closer look. Okay, you can see it's a little bit high now, okay, but it looks like a water droplet. So we're going to take care of that and show you what you need to do. Next guys, we're going to get a razor, okay, like that. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from, and then we'll just start scraping. And here guys, it's important, okay, to come, okay, to scrape it, okay, in that direction. Do not cut it guys. Okay. So after shaving it guys, okay, sometimes if it comes off, you may need to prepare it a little bit better and you may need to bake it for a little bit longer time. You may need to make it a little bit lighter and that way you may not even shave it, okay, that's what we kind of like did, we just shaved it very little, but everything went inside, the glue went inside the nail polish and it preserved it now. And when I go with my finger, okay, watch, now there is like nothing, it's like super smooth, so water cannot get in it and that can preserve you guys from cracking even more. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix it guys with anything that you have at home. Hopefully the video will be helpful and see you guys next time.